You're most likely concentrating on the wrong thing if you're just starting YouTube, and most channels are killed before they start because of that error. People believe that their niche, algorithm, or poor thumbnails are the reasons they fail. That isn't it. This is what really occurs. You become inspired. At last, you upload. It feels good at first. The page is refreshed, you look at the analytics, just think of where this might go. The views then fail to appear. Hours go by. After a few days, nothing alters. You begin to doubt everything as a result. Your thoughts, your specialty, your voice, and your choice to begin at all. Most people don't give up immediately. They disappear. An unsuccessful upload followed by another. You promise yourself that you will publish the following week till the channel simply shuts down. It wasn't that you didn't care or that you weren't capable. Rather, it was that you were unaware of your goals. The true error is that you won't survive on YouTube if you don't have a compelling reason to keep going when nothing is working, because there are lengthy periods on YouTube when nothing happens. No confirmation, no feedback, and no indication that you're doing it correctly. And during those times, you'll follow trends, restart channels, and imitate more successful creators while questioning why something still feels off. Additionally, you will feel stuck, even if you are making an attempt, because it's useless to work without direction. This is the part that no one discusses. Your video will receive 12 views in certain weeks. 12, not 12,000. No likes, comments, or feedback. I wonder whether anyone noticed it at all. Motivation isn't your savior during those weeks. You won't be saved by watching another strategy video. Only a rationale does. Everything else begins to make more sense after you have that, because you stop chasing everything once you realize what you're truly creating. You quit hopping from one notion to another. Every time something doesn't work, you quit restarting. Anything that recently went viral is no longer copied. YouTube feels easier all of a sudden. Clearer, but not easier. You understand why you continue to turn up even when the video performs poorly, the numbers are poor, and no one pays attention. And the way you produce is altered by that clarity. You are not under any obligation to post everything. There is no pressure on you to win over everyone. You start creating videos that truly belong together and stop creating haphazard ones. Channels grow this way, without burning out. The majority of people are unaware of this. Clarity, ideas, expectations, and direction are rewarded on YouTube. Viewers return after they understand the purpose of your channel. Not because your editing is crazy or your movies are perfect, but rather because people are aware of what they are getting. They have faith in the direction. Consistency ceases to feel forced after that. It no longer feels draining. You no longer feel as though you're pushing a boulder uphill. It begins to feel sustainable. So take a moment to think before you worry about growth, the algorithm, monetization, or subscribers. One question for yourself. What exactly am I attempting to build here? Not impressive, not what you believe you should say. The true purpose of this channel, not for YouTube, but for you, because your plan will no longer be an obstacle once that's clear. Your channel suddenly has a purpose, and your uploads no longer seem haphazard. You already care more than most people who start watching this if you're still here, so don't rush it. Don't mindlessly copy. Build a plan that you can truly follow through on. Click this video and watch it through to the end if you're serious about YouTube and don't want your channel to disappear like most others.